Hey viewers, welcome to my channel.
Today's project is how to make this type of beautiful smocking on bodice part of frock for 5-year-old girl. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we will take fabric for bodice with length 9.5 inches with width 42 inches. Pleats will make along with width. Sequence for measurement of pleats is 1 inch plus 2 inches plus 1 inch plus 2 inches. We will make pleats at 2 inches space. Make all pleats according to this method. Open the pleats at the center and join edges of pleats and iron it. Now we will mark 1.5 inches at the length for rectangular pattern for smocking design. Now make the smocking design at each rectangular pattern. Attach both edges and make a stitch and attach a bead at the center. This design looks so pretty and give a fancy look to your princess dress. Viewers, I am a beginner YouTuber. I need your support. If you like my project, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and family.